Hey friends, I am Hussein. Welcome to our new series that is Basic of Mathematics. This is the first episode of the series, so let me give you an overview of this series. The series is all about the basics you need to know, which is helpful for solving your questions and problems. In this series, I am also going to give you many shortcut tricks to solve the question easily. So now let's start without wasting our time. Now the first topic is multiplication. I will give you some tricks to multiply and be faster than the calculator. So let us see the first trick, which is multiplying the numbers near 100 and the number should be less than 100. So let us see an example. Let us say 95 into let's say 96. Okay, 95 into 96. Now we have to see how much is 95 less than 100 and how much is 96 less than 100. So 95 is 5 less than 100, 96 is 4 less than 100. Okay, then subtract 4 from 95 or 5 from 96. So let us subtract it. So when we subtract 4 from 95, then we will get 91. We got 91 and then multiply 5 and 4. So the answer you get is 20. Let's see another example. Now let us take 91 into 99. So now 91 is how much less? Minus 9. Do it quickly. 99 is minus 1. Then what we have to do is subtract this from this or this from this. So when we will subtract, then we will get 90 and then multiply them both. 9 ones are 9. But you have to add a 0 before 9. Okay, if there is only one digit, then you have to add 0 to the 0 before the number. So this was the first trick when the number is smaller than 100. Now let us see what we have to do when the number is greater than 100. So let us take an example. Let us take 101 into 102. Now the trick is that first you have to see how much 101 is greater than 100 and how much 102 is greater than 100. So 101 is plus 1 and this is plus 2. Then what we have to do is that add 2 to 101 or add 1 to 102. So you will get answer as 103 and then multiply these two numbers. Simple. 2, but ensure that you have to add 1 0. If you have a single digit, then you have to add 1 0. So the answer will be 10302. Let's quickly see one more example. Let's take 103 into 105. This is 3 greater than, this is 5 greater than, then add 5 to this or add 3 to this, so 5, and we will get 108 and then simply multiply it. So this will be 10815. Let's take one more example. Let us take 104 into 101. How much this is greater? This is plus 4 and this is plus 1. Then add them. So you will get 105 and then multiply it. So you will get 10504. This was the answer. So this was the first trick to multiply the number here when the number is greater than 100. Now let's see the second trick. This trick is applicable for 2-digit numbers. Okay, so let's take the first example. Let us see 25 into 30. So now first what you have to do is that first multiply these two numbers. So 5 zeros are 0. Then multiply these two number and this two number. So 0 into 2 is 0. So write here 0 plus 5 3s is 15. You got 15 plus 0 that is 15 only. So write 5 here and carry the 1 here. Now multiply these two number. 3 2s are 6 and plus 1 is 7. You got the answer. Let's take one more example. Let us take 53 into 20. Let us multiply this number. Let us do it quickly. So 0 into 3 is 0. Then multiply these two. 0 into 5 and 2 into 3. So 5 zeros are is 0 and 2 3s are is 6. So plus 6. So 6 plus 0 is 6, and then just multiply this 2. So 5 2s are 10. You got the answer. Let's take one more example. Let us multiply 42 with 31. Let us multiply them. So first 1 2s are 2, then 1 into 4 4, plus 3 2s are 6, then add them. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 1 carry 0 here. Then 4 into 3 is 12, plus 1 13. So you got the answer as 1302. This was the second trick, which was also very simple. Now let's see the third trick. Now let's see the third trick to multiply numbers, the line trick. Let's take an example. Let us take two numbers as 32 into 21. Okay, so now what you have to do is, now you have to draw the line. So first let us take this number. So the first digit is here 3, so draw 3 lines. 1 2 3. Then the second number is 2, so draw 2 lines. 1 and 2. Now let us take the second number. Here the first digit is 2, so draw 2 lines here. 1 and 2, and then the second digit is 1, so draw 1 line. Now what you have to do is that count the intersection points. See here how many times the lines are intersected. 1 and 2 at 2 points. Here 1 2 3, and then add with this. Here 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7, and here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6. So the answer is 6 7 2. Now let's take one more example. Let's see 40 into 23. Now the question is, what we have to do when the second digit is 0. Let me show you. Let's first draw here 4 lines. 1 2 3 4. Now when here is when a digit is 0, so there you can draw any other kind of line. See here I am drawing this zigzag line. This line will represent 0. Then here 2, so draw 2 lines. 1 and 2, and the second digit is 3, so draw 3 lines. 1 2 and 3. Now count the points. See, this is the first, this is the whole second part, and this is the third part. So let us count. Here if the line is joining with the 0 or with the other line, then the number is said to be 0 only. So this is 0. Now count this point. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and here it is intersecting with other line, so it will be 0 only. Here were 12, so carry 1 and write 2. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then add with this 8, so 8 plus 1 is 9. We get 9, so the answer is 920. Now let's see a 3-digit number multiplication. So now let's take this example. 123 into 111. So now draw the lines. 1, then 2, so 1 and 2, then 3, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 1, 1. So there here 1, here 1, and here 1. Now we got one part, the second part, the third part, fourth part, and the fifth part. So now let us add it. 1, 2, and 3. So here 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6. Here 1, 2, and 3. So 3. Here 1. So you got the answer as 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. So this was the third trick. I hope you enjoyed this video as we covered many tricks to solve the multiplications easily. Thank you. So guys, please like, share and subscribe our video to keep us motivated to make more such videos.